Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix the avatar page is temporarily unavailable, which means if you are having this kind of error, the avatar page is temporarily unavailable, then how you can fix that. First of all, you have to simply close that page. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold your Roblox. After that, you have to click on the app info here. After clicking on app info, what you have to do, the first step you have to do is you have to simply click on the force stop here. After clicking on that, you have to click on storage and cache, and here you have to clear the cache of your app. After clearing the cache, you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can again press and hold app, and you have to again click on storage and cache, and this time you have to clear the storage as well. After that, if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply open the Play Store here. In Play Store, you have to simply search for Roblox, so that you can, as you can see, after searching Roblox, you have to check whether it is updated or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Roblox game. After that, if the problem is still there, then you have to wait for some time, as this may be error due to server in avatar pages. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.